Tired of tiny screens and sluggish performance? Craving an immersive entertainment experience that fits in your bag? Look no further. The Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE is here to revolutionize your on-the-go entertainment. With its stunning 11-inch display, powerful performance, and immersive quad-speaker system, this tablet is ready to take your movies, games, and productivity to new heights. Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE, brand name. Xiaomi, model name. Pad SE, memory storage capacity. 4 GB, screen size. 11 inches, display resolution. 1900 by 1200 pixels. Item weight, 1.05 pounds. OS, MIUI 14 based on Android 13. GPU, Qualcomm, wireless communication technologies, Wi-Fi, connectivity technologies, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, special features stereo, speakers, display technology, LCD, other display features, personal computer, human interface input, buttons, scanner resolution, 1900 by 1200 pixels, other camera features, front, audio jack, 3.5 millimeters, form factor, tablet, color, graphite gray global, battery power rating, 8000 mAh. What's in the box? Wall adapter, 33W fast car dual USB cable, manufacturer. Xiaomi, about this item. Wi-Fi version, no SIM card. Global version, global ROM FCCID, 2AFZZ RPBFL. Product description. Binge through everything. Binge through your favorite shows, movies, and books on the Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE. Features 11-inch display, LCD IPS, and with a resolution of FHDs. That's not all. Every single cell in Excel looks like it was made to be viewed on this display, and so do your kick-ass presentations. Enjoy a buttery smooth scrolling experience across the UI, and enjoy high refresh rate games with frames that respond to your every action. Found a new track you can't keep your ears off of? Want to experience every single scene like it's happening next to you? Enjoy every single beat with quad speakers on Redmi Pad. Dive deeper into each scene with sound that surrounds you wherever you go with Dolby Atmos on Redmi Pad. Hit the play button below to experience Dolby Atmos on your system, zip through games, documents, and multitask like a pro without breaking a sweat with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 SM6225 processor, making every experience super smooth. Enjoy full HD video calls with focus frame, which adjusts the frame according to your movement and even widens the field of view up to 105 to the power of 0 to accommodate your family and friends. MIUI 14 coupled with Android 13 out of the box brings multiple productivities and entertainment-focused improvements along with a UI that has been reimagined for tablets. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.